Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get the voice chat on Roblox without any verification ID. Now it's a very easy process, so let me show you how. So firstly, just simply search for Roblox and open your Roblox account. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the gear icon at the top right, then go to settings. Now as you can see right over here, my account is not verified over here. Now if I go to the privacy option, you will see that I don't have any microphone option over here as well. Now let's change that. So firstly, what you have to do is to actually complete the process, you have to go to the gear icon, click on it, then go to help. Now in the search panel, type in chat. Now click on chat and voice. Now scroll down and over here you will find a panel for need help. So choose this option. Now over here your nickname will be automatically filled. So what you have to do is just simply enter your first name, your email address which your ID is linked with, then confirm that email address and complete the issue details over here. So let's complete that process. So after completing that, click on the drop down box over here in the issue and choose whatever device you're using. So for me it's going to be PC. In the category, just simply choose chat and age settings. Then in this drop down box, choose adjust child privacy and security settings. Now just simply write over here in the description what exactly I am writing. So just simply write, my child wrote the wrong age while creating an account. Please help us get the voice chat feature back. Whenever we try to verify, it shows error. Hope you understand. Thank you. So just simply write this over here and click on submit. And after that, you should receive an email from Roblox support team. So as you can see, this is the email that we got. And if you scroll down, as you can see, I have already resolved my issue. I can just simply click on good, I'm satisfied. But what you have to do is when you will get the email for the first time, you have to reply and just simply paste exactly this over here in the reply as well. And then an actual executive from Roblox support team will contact you through email. So just simply explain them about what exactly happened. So what you have to do is just simply give them a fake reason, and the reason will be this over here as I've shown you. So just simply give them that reason and then they will unlock your voice feature. Now when they will unlock the voice feature, all you have to do is go back to your Roblox account, click on settings icon over here. Now just simply go to privacy option over here, and right over here you will have your microphone option that you can enable. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.